Hello, Mr. Schultz here. I'm going to show you how to put your armature together for the wire art sculpture. So you will need three things. You will need a foam block, you will need a stocking, and you will need a piece of wire that I've pre-cut. So if your block has plastic on it, like mine does, just take it off, put that in the trash, and you are going to, I'm going to put this on my table for you. And you're going to take your wire. I have it like this, but you can bend it any way you want. You can look at the examples in my room to see the different shapes. Um, but in the end, you just need to make sure the bottoms are parallel to each other. You are going to bend your wire. It's really easy to bend. Look how easy that is. It's crazy easy. All right, so I think I have the shape I want. I'm going to make sure my bottoms are parallel, and then I'm going to stick them in the corners. You don't want it too close to the edge, and you don't want it to go all the way through. So push it in without going all the way through. And then you can even bend from there. You say, all right, I want it up a little bit. And now I have my shape that I want. Next, you're going to have to put on the stocking. I'm guessing most of you have never used one of these. So here's what you do. You start at the top opening. You kind of scrunch it together, holding it together, holding it together. Until you have it nice and tight like that. And what I do is I hold the structure up against myself. You got to keep holding this tight, and you pull it over the whole thing, pulling it tight. You don't want it loose and gappy. Then when you get towards the end, you are going to pull, gather again, and go around the corners. And then I'm going to do the next side. I'm going to pull and grab that and go around the corner. You got all four sides like that. Now it's really tight. So just be careful as you're doing it. You don't want to create runs in it. All right. And then the last one. So I'm even gathering it as I'm doing the last one. So it should be nice and tight on there. Okay, you're going to have some on the bottom, and that's okay. So your next step would be to get the white paint that looks like this. And you're going to paint the whole structure, even the foam core or the foam. We're not going to paint the bottom. After day one of that drying, the next day we'll come in and we'll cut off the bottoms. So we know whose is who. I would suggest you get some masking tape from next to the ruler drawer, put your name on it, and put it on the bottom on the actual foam piece there. All right, so that is how you build your armature. So this is for our Wyeth or famous artist wire structure. All right, so any questions, let me know. Bye.